Hi buddies, welcome to Theo's fascinating program. In this video, let's see how to insert the value in a MySQL table. If you do not know how to create a table, I would have given in the description. Please follow it. Now let's see how to insert the value in a MySQL table. So to insert a value in MySQL table, the following procedures are used. So the first step, you have to open a MySQL. Open a MySQL. So once you open a MySQL, we have to select the database using the following syntax before creating a table. So before creating a table, so the following syntax is used. So the database should be already created. If it is already created, we can use the syntax like use database name. So when we give the name of the use database name, we can start inserting our values into a table. So step 3, to insert a value according to the syntax, so insert into table name and column name values. If not, insert into table name values and values. So you can use any one of these syntax to insert the values in a table. Once you insert the value in a table, you can check by the query select star from the table name. So select star from the respective table name can be given and can be find can it be open or not. So now we have to open a MySQL. So let me use a MySQL. So give your respective password to open a MySQL. I just cascade my screen, so we'll see the step by step. I'll just give a password to open my MySQL. You can see I have opened MySQL, and second step, I'm going to use my database. So check what is the database you have already created. If it is not created, create, and then you can use it. I just give a show databases, so all the databases will be listed here. So find which is the database that you have created. So let me use a database with the help of a query use and give the name of the database. I just give use1, so the name of the database is 1. So now I know the table is created, so I just use a syntax according to step 3. So even you can check what are the tables are there in a databases. Show tables. So there is a 2 tables called book sample. So these are the 2 tables already been created. So if you do not know how to create, please create it, and then you can insert a value. So you can describe your table. So it will show what is the column name, what is the type, what is the default value is given in a table. So I just give it as describe books. So which table you want to describe, you can describe it. So once you describe it, you can go to the step 3. You can insert values according to any one of the syntax. So let me give it as insert into the table name is books. So I just give it as books. So I just give a column name. So the column like book name, book price, and all these things has to be given. Book number, book name, comma, price. So I just give all the column names. I just close a bracket, and just according to syntax I just give it as values. So open a bracket, and just I'll give a values for it. So I just give a values like 10, comma, I just give a book name as CS, comma, price I just give it as 500. I close a bracket, semicolon. Once you give a semicolon, hit enter. So you can find query is okay, 1 row is affected. And you can see according to step 4, if you just give select star from table name, you can find the table is the row is inserted or not. Select from the table name is books, so give semicolon. You can see the value what we have given is being inserted in a table. So this is how you have to insert a value. So every time use the same query, just change a value. Instead of 10, let me change the value as 11, and then instead of CS I'll give some other name as botany, bot, and I'll just give a price as 400, and I'll execute a query. So you see query is okay, and once again I have to use select star from table name. So you can see the second row has also been inserted. So use the same query to insert, and just change the values alone, and by changing the values you can insert a value in your table. and you see I insert. So again the query is okay. Again I just give select star from. You can see I have given a rows that it has been added to the table. So this is how you have to add a value, and to check you can use a select star from table name. I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you for watching.